I'm back with a new video. So today I wanted to recreate Sonam Kapoor's Vogue, India Vogue makeup tutorial, like her 90s Bollywood with like Jhumka. I love her. She's one of my favorite actresses. So I really wanted to see how it would look on me. So let's get on with the video. And as you can see, I kind of have like some similar robe to her that she has. It's not like the same, but it's kind of like similar. So I was really like happy that I had this. Anyways, so let's start. So it looks like she starts with her vitamin C serum, and the serum that I have is the 4th Ray Beauty one. It's from ColourPop. I wanted to try it. So it's like a double vitamin C elixir. So I just shake it a little, and I'm just gonna put some on my hand. The sunspots and all of that, and it looks like she pats it in. So I'm just gonna pat in the vitamin C, and then you always go up. I know right now your skin has collagenicity, but later on it won't, so you have to protect it now. Okay, so it looks like she uses moisturizer after her serum, which is interesting because for me, I don't if I use a serum, I won't use a moisturizer because then I feel like it's like too much. But I'm going to be using the CeraVe moisturizer because I don't have the moisturizer she has. That's a lot of it's really cool to see what she uses and what we have. Like a lot of these things we have already, so we can achieve this look anyways. So it's just about substituting the things that you have. So here, I'm just going to take a little bit, and she pats it. So, I saw that and I thought, that's interesting because I usually just like rub it in or smear it in like this. But the pat makes it feel more luxurious. I actually like it. It's like, after she puts the moisturizer, she also puts sunscreen on top of it. So for my sunscreen, I use a Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen. That's it. Not rub, pat. Okay. That's so interesting. Like double, triple moisturization. Okay. So it looks like she puts an anti-pollution drop. I don't have that, so I'm going to skip that. But it looks like she is putting coconut oil on her lips. So I'm going to take a little bit of coconut oil. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I just use Nature's Truth Aromatherapy one. I love coconut oil. I put it on my hair. I put it on my face sometimes, my body, especially during winter time. She is putting concealer. The concealer that I use is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. These dark spots I have. Puts in on all her problem areas. I don't have like too many, but I do like to put some on my cheek area, a little bit right here, just like kind of to like help with some discoloration. Use a beauty blender to blend out her concealer, so that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes I use a brush, like a stippling brush or a buffer brush, depending on. Notice because I have like the triple like moisturization, the concealer is blending really well. Now she is putting foundation. So I don't have a custom foundation. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I do have dry skin, that's why I use the Luminous range. She says she doesn't use a lot. I don't have to use a lot either. Because most of my skin is like okay with concealer, but again, she goes in with the Beauty Blender. Kind of I do kind of put it down, even though it's the Kat Von D powder. I do not have the La Mer, the one that she uses. So let's see the way she puts the powders. She takes them, she pats it. Takes it down by her nose. She is taking eyeliner. I use the Urban Decay 24/7 in Perversion. She uses the pencil by NARS. So she puts eyeliner. And now she is taking a brown shadow to smudge it on top. I'm just gonna take like a darkish brown and smudge it on top. It's a good idea. It's just like smudging it. A shiny eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use this one. I'm just gonna use my finger just to put the shine on top. And there you go. Line the inner upper waterline, so I'm gonna try that. I'm not really good at it. I don't really do that, but let me just try. Going to be taking a blush, and it's a very pinky blush, which I'm pleased about. So I might just mix this and this to get that blush that she has. It's like way too much, but it does the job of hers because my skin tone is a little deeper, so it does show different. I'm kind of a darker skin tone, but I do have this contour from the Tarte palette, so I'm just gonna like put a little bit. She just like puts it right here and like right here, like just a little bit. I love this bronzer because it smells like chocolate. Let's see where she puts the highlight, the blending brush, and like puts it on. So I'm going to be using Lit by Tarte. Do what she's doing, so she kind of like puts it right here. I personally like going around circle motion. Right. She puts it on her nose. So let's see. She puts it on her nose, the bridge, and here. She doesn't put it anywhere else. So now she is curling her lashes. So I have my curler as well. So I'm going to curl my lashes now. Go in with her mascara. I'm using Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Mascara. Okay, so now she is using NARS lipstick. So I do have a NARS pencil lipstick, this kind of crayon as the lip liner. I do not have a lipstick from NARS that's a red color, so I'm going to be using Avenue from ColourPop as my lipstick. Lipstick might be a little more on the darker edge, but it's because of my skin tone. I like how it complements it. I'm going to be putting Sindoor, which married Indian women put, but for the purposes of this video I'm not married, but I'm just gonna put it just to like complete the look. So she has like a kind of like a like a liquid lip stainer, but I'm just gonna use the NARS one. So she kind of like puts it here. I'm just gonna put a little bit. She kind of like takes it all over in her hair. I'm just gonna keep it very simple. She is putting her jhumkas on, and I have these jhumkas. They're cute. My mom got them from Bangladesh. I'm just going to put that on. It's super cute. I also put a black bindi on, so I'm just gonna make one with my eyeliner. And yeah, I think it matches her pretty well. I look so like Bollywood actress and I love it. So I really like it, the way she did it and how it came out on me. Like following her steps did really like, you know, introduce like a new kind of style, and it looks really nice. I really like it. Like looking at it, it's so cool. Like I can like go, love it. Do I look like an Indian movie star that is supposedly married but not really? But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun doing it. I kind of want to like follow other people on Vogue. I know I have to do like other actresses, especially like my favorite Priyanka Chopra, and I had a lot of fun doing this, like following Sonam Kapoor's video. Like I look different in my opinion, and she kind of like went through the steps, and it was very simple, and like this is very simple and anyone can do it. And it's like interesting to see how like everyone's face kind of like reacts to this type of makeup, and like the jhumka, and like it's so like cute and classic. So I hope you guys like my video. I'm going to be making more, so stay tuned. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and leave me anything that you want in the comments. Let me know if you guys try this. So yeah, thank you very much, and hope to see you guys soon. Okay, bye!